Hi, I'm Oliver Banks, and I am the chapter bossless of the Beta Lambda Lambda chapter of Omega Psi Phi fraternity. And we're here at the drone competition. And Omega Psi Phi does that in one of its mandated programs. So we're here at the drone competition to help these young kids have the exposure and be the best that they can be.
Different it is and how they different ways they drew it out and did all these things. So already, I mean, it's crazy. I know, isn't it cool? Yeah. And so yeah, so by the end we actually see all this stuff, and you know, and these are the kids. This is directly what you guys did. So it's like, thank you so much, like, you know. And so I can't wait to actually show them when you're actually going. And you know, after testing's over, there's a couple of weeks, and that's when we're going back in and we'll finish it up, fly in here, and you get those videos too. And that makes it's awesome. It really is awesome.
Hey fans, this is Chris Hankins here with See It Through Foundation and Beta Lambda Lambda chapter of Omega Psi Phi. Hey, we're partnering with Drones4Good here at David T. Howard Middle School in Atlanta for the 2024 annual drone competition. We're having a great time here. It's awesome. Listen, if you have a kid, he's interested in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, you want to get him involved in the STEM program, look us up online at seeitthrough.org. That's seeitthrough.org. Get involved in our mentoring program. Get your kid involved in STEM today.
This has been a great experience, not just for the kids, but for the adults.
Signatures, but even though that they're cold, but you can still pick it up on the thermal.
Hello everyone, especially if you are a fan of robotics, drones, flying things, building things. I'm Chris Hankins, the immediate past president of Beta Lambda Lambda chapter and chairman of See It Through Foundation. We're here at the 2024 Drones for Good competition. We're here to have some great fun with these students, building drones, helping out their community. It's all about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We're having a great time. This is an awesome event. Come on out, especially if you have a kid or someone who's interested in STEM.
We want you to learn how drones work and the physics behind it and get a feel for the STEM that's possible to learn from this.
Hi, my name is Rico Miller with Beta Lambda Lambda and See It Through Foundation. Hey, we're here with Drones for Good, and it's amazing to see these kids do all the things they're doing with drones, building, flying, testing, doing presentations. It's all good. So it was exciting, and I'm telling you, it's one of the best things that we've ever done as an organization and to witness within an organization. We just thank you all for supporting us and being a part of the things that we're doing in the community.